Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language.
Nope.
Oh hell no, I ain't discussing that shit here. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you the first couple of steps you need to follow in order to get started with Python in Visual Studio Code. Special thanks to the only 2 subscribers I have at the time of recording this video. Anyways, without any further ado, let's get into it. For those of you who don't know what VScode actually is, it is a free source code editor made by Microsoft for Windows. It's a beast when it comes to efficiency and super lightweight when it comes to your machine. Well, actually, it is the best of both worlds. So, to install VS Code, just head over to your browser and type in any keyword which you believe would land you to the right page. Or follow along and type in VSC, which stands for Visual Studio Code. Click on the first result that shows up, code.visualstudio.com, and simply download the setup according to your system preferences. By the way, the page automatically figures out which OS you're on and suggests the same for you to download. Anyways, just launch the downloaded setup and read the license sheet if you want. Just accept the agreement and click on next. Choose your preferred download location and proceed. Now, I highly recommend you checking in those first 2 checkboxes. What these actually do is, whenever you right click inside any folder in your file explorer, you get an option to open that particular directory in VS Code. This is particularly useful when you're working on a project and want to keep all the necessary files in the same place, and then need to import that entire directory into VS Code. Note that this isn't compulsory and you can always drag and drop the entire directory you wish into VS Code. Click on install and you are done with the installation process. After the installation, fire up VS Code. I hope your interface is similar to mine. Click on the new file option, hit Ctrl S to save, give it a suitable name, and remember to save it with a .py extension. Remember, .py tells your system to read that file as a Python script file, so it is necessary. As soon as you do that, you'll notice a pop-up on the right bottom end of your screen prompting you to install a Python extension to VS Code. Just click on the install button. Alternatively, head over to the extensions menu in the left pane, type in Python and open the first result that shows up. This is an extremely popular extension developed by Microsoft itself. While this installs, let me tell you what it actually does. This extension has several features such as linting, debugging, code navigation, etc. If this is all Greek to you at this moment, in simple words, this extension gives you several advantages when it comes to writing smart code. It comes with suggestions, auto-completions, highlighted texts, and support for a wide range of Python libraries. Let's run a test case to see if it actually works. As you can see, after typing in all the code I ever learnt in my life, you just click on the run button and the terminal opens with your output displayed in it. Now for the linting, or simply the features of the Python extension to work properly in VS Code, it is necessary to install the pylint module library, or whatever it's called. Pylint. It's a library that looks at your code while debugging and reports back all possible issues. For example, you may have styling issues or some invalid code you wrote when you were not paying attention. It does its work on the basis of the styling convention rules of Python known as pipette. Just open your command window, or alternatively head over to the terminal of VS Code itself and type in pip install pylint. And there you go, you're all set to begin your Python journey in VS Code. I hope you had a great journey along the video. Like and share this video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I guess the only 2 people subscribed to my channel are feeling lonely here. And yeah, we'll meet in another video another day. Stay tuned for more. Peace.